Welcome. This video is from the Chapter 3 Closure Packet. We're going to work through some of the problems. So the first one we're going to look at is the number 1 from the very start of it. And this didn't come from Chapter 3, this came from Chapter 2. It says, find an equation of the line that passes through the points -1, 5 and 2, -1. Let's just get a general idea of what that equation is going to end up looking like. Okay, right, we're looking for an equation in the form y equals mx plus b, right? And if it has the point -1, 5, I'm just going to approximate where that would be, somewhere right up here. And we have the point at 2, -1, which would be maybe around here. So this line runs right through those 2 points. So we already know, just based on that, that we should have a negative slope, right? Because our line is going down to the right, and we should have a positive y-intercept. Okay, so let's figure out what our values of m and b are going to be. To do this, we're going to take our 2 points. We have our first point is -1, 5. The second point is the point 2, -1. Okay, we need to find the slope first, so we're going to use our slope formula. We've got m equals the difference between the y's over the difference between the x's. So please remember, x comes first, y comes second, right? It's alphabetical order like that. And if I choose to go like -1 minus 5, then I have to go 2 minus -1, right? You got to start with the same point when you're doing your math. We'll say, so our y2, I'd say, is that this -1 minus the 5 over, then we'll start with this 2, so we'll say 2 minus, and then we have a -1. So be careful on the bottom, right? Because I see a lot of times people lose a negative when they have a negative coordinate. So it should be 2 minus -1. When we simplify, we've got -6 over 3, which gives us -2. So our slope is equal to -2. Now we need to find the rest of the equation. So we are going to use y equals mx plus b. And since our m, right, is already -2, we'll substitute that in. We've got y is equal to -2 times x plus b. And now we just need to take it and plug in something for x and y so we can solve for b. And you can use either of the points. I'll use this one. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to plug in my y for y. So it's 5 equals -2 times -1 plus b. -2 times -1 is 2. So when I subtract 2 from each side, I'm going to end up with 3 is equal to b. So that's important information for us because we now know the slope and the y-intercept. So our equation should be y is equal to -2 times x plus 3. Okay, then looking back over at our prediction, right, you'll see that we do have a negative slope because it's -2, and then we do have a positive y-intercept at a +3, so it looks like it's good. If you're not sure, go ahead and take your 2 points and plug them in for x and y and make sure that it works for you. For time's sake, so you don't have to keep listening to me there, I'll go ahead there and move on to the next problem.